Yeehaw! Another segment from Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you
A mini tool haul. Let's check it out. All right, let's take a look at what came from Amazon. And it looks like some more tools, of course. Actually, these are those push retainer clips. So it's an assortment of various retainer clips. Okay, you can see here all the different types there are. These will come in handy when you take door panels off. And a few extra panel tools to pull the panels off and pull the clips out. We already have several of these around, and well, it just doesn't hurt to have a few more. There's a set here of more panel tools. And some zip strip type. These pop into your holes and can hold wiring. Zip strip the wiring. And some little foam pads. Little paper here showing the various models and types by bonus. It's a 4-piece set. Okay, and this, oh, this is nice. This is a digital tire inflator by Astro. It's a 3018, 3018. We'll take a quick look at it here. Get rid of the bigger box. Owner's manual. Oh, here it is. It's got a nice steel flex cable. It's a digital tire inflator. So here I'll turn it on, and you can toggle through its PSI, and then there's, it says light. Unit. Okay, you gotta hold it a second. Bar, KPA, KGF, and back to PSI. Needs to have a quick connect nozzle put on it, but won't that be nice? Maybe we can get her plugged in and give it a try. I understand that when you're filling, you hold the trigger in all the way, and then halfway out we'll let the air out of the tire. Okay, so let's see how that works. Okay, I've got the quick disconnect screwed on here. Connect the air hose, turn the power on. Now I'll take off the valve stem cover and connect up the nozzle. Give it a quick check here. And now I'm letting out the bad air. And then replace it here now with some nice, fresh, new air. And you have to let off the trigger to read the setting. 31. And there's 32 PSI. Hey, that was a nice little tool haul. And this unit works pretty good too. Works great to change the air in your tires. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.